Hi friends, we'll solve problem on motion with variable acceleration. See what is given in problem. Motion of a particle along a straight line is defined by v cube equal to 64 s square, where v is in meters per second and s is in meters. Determine number 1, velocity when distance covered is 8 meters. Number 2, acceleration when distance covered is 27 meters. And number 3, acceleration when velocity is 9 meters per second. See, equation of velocity is given and what is asked in problem, that is some velocity when distance covered is 8 meters. That means relation between velocity and s is required. Number 2, acceleration when distance covered is 27. That means we must know relation between acceleration and distance covered. And third, acceleration when velocity is 9 meter per second. That means relation between acceleration and velocity is must. Therefore, what equation is given? First equation, that is v cube equal to 64 s square. Say this is equation number 1. Now using this equation, we will try to find out relation between acceleration, velocity and displacement. To find out this one, if we differentiate this equation, partial differentiation, if we differentiate this v cube as differentiating, we will get 3v square dv, and on the right hand side, if we differentiate, becomes 64 into 2 s ds. That means you are getting 3v square dv equal to 64 into 2 s ds. Now this on left hand side, I will write 3v, I will take common, then v dv, that means this v square I written as v and v. Then this ds, if I take on left side, ds, v dv by ds term you are getting, and on the right hand side 64 into 2 means what? 128 s. v dv by ds is nothing but what? Acceleration. Therefore what will get here? This 3v into acceleration equal to 128 s. That means acceleration A is written as 128 s upon 3v. This is equation number 2. Now once you will get this equation number 2, easily you will get solution of problem. Determine number 1, velocity when distance covered is 8 meters. Velocity and distance covered, that is in equation number 1. Therefore, to solve first part number 1. Number 1, what is asked in problem? You have to find out what is velocity when distance covered means s equal to 8 meters. That means using equation number 1, if I will substitute here s equal to 8 meters, easily we will get what? Velocity. That means v cube equal to 64 s square. That means what? S is 8, so 8 square. If you calculate using calculator, here velocity comes out to be 16 meters per second. This is our first answer. Second part of problem, what is asked in second part? What is acceleration of particle when distance covered is 27 meters? Now what first equation is available? It is relation between velocity and displacement. But now acceleration and displacement, directly you have to find out acceleration from s. Is there any relation between a and s? That is nothing but equation of acceleration. What we have derived is 128 s upon 3v. But in this equation, now if you substitute s as a 27 meter, direct acceleration is not possible. That means when s is 27 meters, you must know what is the velocity. That velocity you have to find out. If you substitute this velocity in this equation, easily acceleration is possible. Therefore, what we will do here, using equation of this v cube, which is 64 into s square. In this equation, if you substitute s as 27 meters and its square will get here, this is v cube. Therefore, what will get here? Velocity. Using calculator, if you find out, this velocity comes out to be 36 meters per second. That means you know at s equal to 27 meters, velocity is 36 meters per second. If you substitute s and v, acceleration is possible. Therefore, acceleration a equal to 128 into s is 27 upon 3 into velocity is what? 36. If you calculate using calculator, this acceleration comes out to be 32 meters per second square. This is your second answer. Third part of problem, what is asked here is acceleration. You have to find out acceleration when velocity is 9 meters per second. Now to find out this acceleration, again if we use a relation, that acceleration is in terms of velocity and position. At 9 meter per second, what is the position? That value will find out first. For that one, what equation you already know, that equation in terms of velocity and s, that is v cube equal to 64 into s square. Velocity is what? 9, cube equal to 64 into s square. Using this equation, what will get here? What is the position at v equal to 9 meters? What position will get here? Comes out to be 3.375 meters. Now if we will use equation of acceleration, which is equal to a equal to 128 s upon 3v. Now 128 into s is 3.375 divided by 3 into velocity is 9. Therefore, acceleration value comes out to be 16 meters per second square. This is our answer. Thank you.